What if two of the most powerful and controversial figures in the world joined forces? Could Donald Trump and Elon Musk reshape the future together? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unraveling the fascinating connection between former President Donald Trump and tech billionaire Elon Musk. There's been a lot of buzz around their potential collaboration, and we've got all the juicy details. Donald Trump, gearing up for the 2024 presidential election, has hinted at bringing Elon Musk into his administration, but not in a typical role. Trump sees Musk as a genius who could help streamline the US government and boost the nation's AI capabilities. While, on the other hand, Musk, with his hands full at Tesla, SpaceX, and X, formerly Twitter, is unlikely to take on a formal government role. But the idea of Musk consulting for the government, offering his expertise to improve efficiency and tech innovation, that's something Trump is seriously considering. And let's be honest, Musk's influence on government tech could be massive. Why is this potential collaboration so significant? Well, it's not just about politics, it's about the future of technology and America's position on the global stage. Trump and Musk working together could lead to major advancements in AI, especially in competing with tech giants like China. This partnership could be a turning point in how the US handles technology and innovation. So what do you think? Could a Trump-Musk alliance change the world? Whether you're a fan or not, this is one partnership we'll all be watching closely. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more updates on this developing story.